Hi guys! I hope I'm in focus this time. Anyway, so a little update on the situation in Sweden regarding gun laws. Well, not to get too technical into the details of the law, at the moment the police have a case in the highest court where they basically want to take over control over which firearms can be used for which purpose, down to the smallest detail. And this is not good because they basically don't want us to have firearms. So so what's happening is a guy called Richard has appealed this case and he's won when he was denied his gun license, and then the police appealed it in turn to the next stage of courts. There's 3 stages, and they lost there as well, and they appealed it to the highest court in Sweden, Högsta förvaltningsdomstolen. And it's not a sure thing that they will even care about people appealing there, even the police. But they did take up this case because the police been so adamant we need to have a clear-cut verdict on this, because otherwise we'll never know how we're supposed to do it. Basically, they're trying everything. They're trying to throw everything against the wall and see what sticks. So it's quite important that we win this case. Richard has an attorney, the best attorney in Sweden actually for these kinds of cases. So of course it's going to be a bit expensive. So there's a GoFundMe, or you can Swish in directly if you're in Sweden. I'll link the pages below, and yeah, it's quite important that we win this actually. So if you feel like supporting him, Firearms United already went together with the rest of Europe to support him in this, because the people against him are the same people responsible for the Firearms Directive, because it came originally from Sweden. I don't know why, but for some reason these, like a handful of assholes in Sweden, government officials, they all know each other, I know exactly who they are. For some reason they have this crusade, they have this messiah complex against the guns. And I've talked to these people several times over the phone. I have they told me so much stupid shit, like you can't have a plastic stock on your hunting rifle because that's not motivated for hunting. You must have a wooden stock. And you can't have a magnified optic with more than 10 times magnification because that's sniper and that's only for military and police. And well, box magazines, forget it. Yeah. There's an eternal struggle in Sweden against these idiots. For example, last time I spoke with him on the phone, I called him up. I had a specific thing I wanted to ask him about. But I got a half an hour long monologue about how dangerous guns are and why I shouldn't be allowed to own them. These are horrible people. They don't give a shit about the law, they only give a shit about their political agenda. And they're not supposed to have a political agenda according to the Constitution of Sweden, so this is very, yeah. Not many people know this because they think people is the socialist paradise, but as with any other socialist paradise, the corruption is rampant in Sweden. I could do like 50 videos about that, but this is a gun channel, not a political channel. Well, gun politics at least. So anyway, have a look at the link below, and if you want to help fund this, every piece of coin is appreciated. It's an important struggle. Okay. Have a nice day, everyone.